Well, here's what's we got going on. Eddie is here. We just walked the entire building, 16, and they was supposed to be here starting Friday, but he's here today starting the HVAC startups for building 16. And it looks like we got a copper leak in unit 7, which is important for me because units 2, 3, and 7 get a laminate flooring, and it has to acclimatize for 48 hours. The material's stocked in theirs, but so Eddie's going to text me as soon as each unit's lit off, and then of course I'm going to let the flooring guy know what hour the startup happened, so he can then put it on his clock. So hoping Wednesday afternoon they could start with laminate flooring. ACS is doing their trim out, the low volt. It takes one man about one whole day. It's not an enormous amount of work, but he's in there. And then my plan is by Wednesday at lunch, take that big garbage can and get a lot of the debris, the unnecessary stuff out of those garages, and ahead of rough clean. I'm going to try to help the girls out because they only sent 2 girls, and I'm assuming they might just do it the same. And it's just a whole lot of work for them, so I just want to kind of ease it a little bit for them, and you know, take it easy. And Gary's coming to building 18 today to walk it ahead. Since the HVAC units got installed real late, the electricians have to hook up all of the HVAC units, wire them up, and so Gary's going to walk it. He says he's going to bring some guys to hook them up, and we can go for early power inspection hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday on building 18, and then we'll start the timer of roughly 10 to 14 days for power on building 18, and away we go.